Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a bug report for Visual Studio Code. I'm running 1.47.1. I'm going to start it with a clean user interface, no extensions installed, to demonstrate that Visual Studio Code Marketplace does not work. Let's go ahead and go to extensions. Let me just search, for example, Flutter. And I get the extension bar here, and it never finishes. So I close that. Don't know why. So we go to View, Command Palette. I'll type install here, and I'm going to show installed extensions. At this time there's nothing because I'm starting with a clean install, so there are no extensions installed. So now if I type Flutter in here, I get nothing but the timer. If I type live share, I believe that's the name of it, I get nothing but the timer. So for all intents and purposes, Visual Studio Code 1.47.1 does not work with the marketplace. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.